The objective of this stakeholder consultation is to present and review the preliminary results of Rwanda's NDC 3.0 and gather feedback from key stakeholders to ensure alignment with national priorities.
So we've been busy over the last 3 or 4 months, 3 months really, undertaking the mitigation analysis for the NDC and also the adaptation and the loss and damage analysis. And the loss and damage is really important to this particular NDC update. It wasn't included in the previous NDC.
Today I'm joining the rest of the participants at the NDC workshop, and we are reviewing the preliminary results of Rwanda's NDC 3.0. It's been quite an interesting and consultative process. We've had the chance to sit down, review these preliminary results, start to cluster them under conditional and unconditional measures, and I'm looking forward to seeing what comes out as our final documentation of our results and our commitments.
Particularly the interest of UN Women basically being a gender entity is to make sure that the indicators that are tracking the participation, the inclusion of women and girls are not missed out in the document, to make sure that the priorities that are set in the NDC are actually putting into consideration that great part of the population. You already know that more than half of our population are women and girls, so we have to make sure that they are not left behind.